Welcome to Ronan's Playhouse and Learning. Welcome back to Ronan's Playhouse. Today we're going to learn about all the cleaning supplies for kids and how we can use them to keep our rooms clean and shiny. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a broom and dustpan. We use it to sweep up dirt, crumbs, and paper bits from the floor. Sweep, sweep, sweep it up, then scoop it into the dustpan. This is a spray bottle. We fill it with water to spray tables or windows. Just spray, psst, psst, and then wipe it clean. This is a microfiber cloth. It's super soft and great for cleaning mirrors and tables. Wipe, 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 no streaks. This is a mini mop. We dip it in water, sometimes with a little soap, and clean up sticky spots on the floor. Swish, swish. This is a duster. We use it to clean off dust from shelves and picture frames. Dust be gone. These are cleaning gloves. They protect our hands and make us feel like real cleaners. Put them on before you start. And this is a cleaning caddy. We keep all our supplies in one place. It makes cleaning time super easy. And here's a toy vacuum cleaner. It makes fun sounds and teaches us how to clean carpets like grown-ups do. This is a sponge. We can use it with soap and water to clean little messes on tables or even toy dishes. And don't forget the trash bag or a mini trash bin. We use it to throw away paper, wrappers, and other trash. Wasn't that fun? Now you know the names and uses of all these cool kid-friendly cleaning tools. You can be a super cleaner too. Thanks for watching Ronan's Playhouse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. For more fun videos, see you next time. Bye.